I'm Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Shreya Side. I hope you all are doing well, guys. So, as you must have seen from the title itself, today's video is a DIY video, guys. I know it's summer, and due to this humid season, due to all the sun exposure that we just tolerate each and every day, our skin, behaves in a very ill manner. Rashes, pimple, acne, sunburn, redness, itchiness, it's an everyday thing on our skin. We have to face this problem time and again each and every day. So today I thought, why not to give a quick DIY to all of you over there with the minimal products and natural home remedies that can just treat our skin, whether we are having acne, whether we are having itchiness, whether it's sunburn, tanning, whatsoever. This is gonna help repair your skin, heal your skin. So just keep on watching, guys. What all we need for this video are very minimal, very kitchen friendly natural ingredients. We only require 4 ingredients, and that is, first and the foremost ingredient is honey, second is aloe vera gel, third is, guys, rose water, and the fourth is turmeric powder. Okay, so let me show you which of products I'm using. The first product, the honey which I'm using, is Patanjali honey over here. Guys, you can use any honey whichever you feel like. I'm using this Patanjali honey. Second product that I'm using, aloe vera gel, is obviously Wow aloe vera gel, my ever favorite, about to end very soon. Third product which I'm using is rose water. This is again from Patanjali. This is Patanjali Gulab Gel. You can use any rose water. Fourth product is turmeric. Here I have taken a pinch of turmeric, not actually a pinch but 2 pinch of turmeric, and this is Patanjali turmeric which I use in my kitchen, so you can use any or the other turmeric. So let's begin, guys. All that we have to do is to mix all these ingredients thoroughly and just apply this all over our face. First and foremost thing, before applying any DIY mask or face pack on your face, the first and most important thing is to clean your face thoroughly. If you have applied makeup before applying any or the other DIY mask, remember that you just clean off your makeup completely from good makeup remover, and then thoroughly wash your face with a good face wash and just clean your face, because any or the other makeup residue, dirt, pollution can literally clog your pores, and it can even be more dangerous for your skin and for your face. And rather than improving, this can even make more major breakouts on your skin. So do clean your face before applying anything on your face. So I'm just gonna use 2 tablespoons of honey. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey in this turmeric which I have taken. Honey, as we all know, guys, is very good. It gives so much of moisture to our skin. Why to talk about this ingredient? Everyone knows its skin benefit, that's for sure. So I've added this 2 tablespoons of honey into this turmeric powder. Now I'm gonna add a liberal amount of aloe vera gel into the same paste. It sounds so bad when the product is about to end the sound. Oh, oh. I'm gonna take like 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is very good for your skin hydration. It even helps in removing, all the tanning of your face. It even tones your face. Turmeric, as we have added, it's gonna fair our complexion. It is going to remove all the tanning completely. It even work as very good antibacterial stuff which just treats our skin. जो रेडनेस होती है गर्मियों के, उससे सनबर्न के, उससे वो भी इससे बहुत ज़्यादा रिड्यूस हो जाती है. और एलोवेरा जेल, जैसे कि हम सभी जानते हैं कि आपकी जो भी सनबर्न होता है उसको बहुत जल्दी हील करती है. और इसी पेस्ट में मैं ऐड करूँगी लाइक 1/2 cup of this rose water. So this is how this paste is going to be, guys. ये बहुत ही पतला सा पेस्ट बन जाता है. ये पेस्ट नहीं, एक्चुअली एक बहुत ही लिक्विडी सॉल्यूशन सा बन जाता है. इसको अपने फेस पे अप्लाई करना है. बिफोर दैट, लेट मी put my hair band so that none of my hair comes in between. So yeah, here we have this thing to apply all over our face. I'm gonna use the same brush which I use in my each and every DIY. like this. Guys, please don't add a lot of rose water. I feel like as if I have added a lot of rose water, and this is the reason being why this has gone so liquid. क्योंकि ये ज़्यादा लिक्विड हो जाएगा तो अप्लाई करने में भी डिफिकल्ट होगा और ये बहुत जल्दी ऐसे गिरता रहेगा. सो रिमेंबर दिस, जो गलती मैंने की है वो आप मत करिएगा. Guys, you can even use this all over your body if you're having, itchiness or redness or rashes. Even जो गर्मियों में एक बहुत ही कॉमन प्रॉब्लम है रैशेस होना, उसके लिए भी आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. गाइस, एज वी ऑल नो कि हमने इसमें टर्मरिक ऐड किया है, तो मेक श्योर कि आप जब ये DIY फेस पैक लगाएं तो पुराने कपड़े पहने या फिर अपने घर वाले कपड़े ही पहने, अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहन के ना लगाएं, क्योंकि टर्मरिक लीव स्टेन, तो कपड़े खराब हो जाएंगे. सो मेरे कपड़े खराब हो चुके हैं, यहाँ पे सारे स्टेन लग चुके हैं. I hope you all can see clearly कि मेरे सब स्टेन लग चुका है. So this is done. Apply it all over my neck. If you want, you can apply it all over your hands, all over your body, so that you can just hydrate your body and nourish it, and you can remove tanning. Leave this for 20 minutes and then just wash off your face. So guys, here I'm back after washing my face, after keeping the face pack for 20 minutes. I want to just show you all how my skin feels, how my face looks like. Let me just zoom in so that you all can clearly see कि मेरा face कैसा लग रहा है. You all can make out whether there is any difference or not. How am I feeling, guys? I feel like my face is a lot more clear. It feels like there's no oil first of all on my face right now. I cannot say it's glowing all of a sudden, but yeah, it's very soft and it's very clean. It feels like my skin has just got a deep cleanup naturally. So as we all know, guys, इसमें जितने भी ingredients है, they are super natural, very healthy for our skin, nourishing, hydrating, repairing, and just rejuvenating our skin in every way possible. इसमें rose water भी था एक ingredient जो कि अपनी deep cleansing के लिए बहुत जाना जाता है. Rose water is the best deep cleanser. It even works as a toner. तो आपके skin का clean होना एक बहुत natural सी बात है. So I hope guys कि ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल रहा हो. If this video was anyhow useful for you all, guys, don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, comment and tell your DIYs which you basically use for summer. So yeah, keep enjoying summer, guys, and do take care of your skin as well. Bye bye, guys. Keep coming back to my channel, keep giving your love and support. Bye bye, guys. Love you all.